The third difference between classes and structs is how they're copied. When you copy a struct, both the original and the copy are different things. Changing one won't change the other. When you copy a class, both the original and copy point to the same thing, so changing one does change the other. For example, here's a simple singer class that has a name property with a default value. Class singer, var name equals Taylor Swift, end class. If we create an instance of that class and print its name, we'll get Taylor Swift, var singer equals singer, print singer.name. Now let's create a second variable from the first one and change its name. Var singer copy equals singer. Singer copy.name equals Justin Bieber. Because of the way classes work, both singer and singer copy point to the same object in memory. So when we print the singer name again, we'll see Justin Bieber. On the other hand, if singer were a struct, then we would get Taylor Swift printed a second time.